check out who I see. Isn't that cool, eh? It's a Crested Woodpecker. Yeah. I've been sitting here about 20 minutes watching them peck away at this birch tree. Man, it's just awesome. I've never seen one this close up before. I'm probably about 15, 20 feet away from them. Maybe 25, yeah, about 25 feet away. I'm surprised they actually let me get this close. Oh, looks like he just found a bug to eat. It's cool, eh? Nice, man. He's gonna sit down on the log here. I wonder if he'll let me watch him. He seems to enjoy the audience. Seeing how I'm being so nice and quiet. Yeah. This is just awesome, man. What an honor to see this guy. I know these guys are on the endangered species list. Birds of Nova Scotia. But yeah, this is something else, man. After seeing 2 bald eagles and a juvenile bald eagle yesterday, and then hearing those 2 barred owls up across the street, just across the street from where I am now. And yeah, I was just hiking the trail and the lady told me she saw a pheasant. Well, I heard the pheasant, so I had to come in the woods and see, and I saw the woodpecker. He flew away, and then I just hung around for a couple minutes, and he came right back. Wow, man. That's cool, eh? He's like a punk rocker. Got the red mohawk. Crested Woodpecker. I really hope you like watching this. This is so cool. I took quite a few photos of them earlier, so I hope they come out really good. I really hope they do. Can't wait to show my friends this. Yeah, this is cool, man. The benefits of hiking every day. I still haven't seen any deer, but who needs deer when you can see rare species of birds like this? Oh, I love deer, of course, but just haven't seen any yet. Wow, this is something awesome, man. This is special. Crested woodpeckers. Man. I met one of the park wardens, and he showed me some photographs of a whole family of them. Actually, there was 3 babies in the nest, and the mom and the papa. Wow, man, that's nice photos he's got. But now I got some photos to compare with his. Oh, his are way awesome. They blew mine right out of the ballpark, but this is awesome. Catching them on video, man. And so close. I'm only like 25 feet from them. Sitting here on the log. Just watching them peck away. Wow. I really hope you guys enjoy this. This is awesome. I don't even want to stop filming. My hands are numb. My feet got numb, so I had to sit down on the log. It's just beautiful. Hope this comes out nice and clear, man. Oh wow, this is just great. I'm gonna stand up here. There. And just stretch. That's a nice bird. He's got black and white feathers on his breast. Black, like really slick black tuxedo feathers on his back. A black stripe on his neck. A couple black stripes on his breast. And 2 black stripes on his face with a red mohawk. He's got a black bill. Kind of a grayish black. Oh, excuse me. Beautiful. I can't see his eyes. I think he's got black eyes. Man, he's awesome. Oh, there he goes. Scare you there, bud. Oh, there he goes up the tree. Can you see him up there? There he is on the top of the screen. He's going up even higher. Yep, he's going way, way up. Anyways, I think this is going to be the end of my film. Oh, there he goes. There we go. Have a good day, Mr. Woodpecker. Wow, that's awesome, eh? I hope you enjoy that. Wow. There he is. That's what he was doing, pecking all that. Hard at work. All my relations, Mr. Woodpecker. Thanks for letting me film him. Hope you enjoyed that. Hey, thanks for watching. Right on, man. Cheers.